Hi everyone, my name is Jeff Adkin, and welcome to my course Implementing Hybrid Threat Solutions with Azure Advanced Threat Protection. In the last year, we've seen a rise in cyber attacks. Every 39 seconds there's a new attack right now. With more and more companies and organizations moving to the cloud and Azure, there's a distinct need of skills in the Azure Advanced Threat Protection area. In this course, we're going to go over implementing a hybrid threat solution with Azure Advanced Threat Protection. Some of the major topics we will cover include planning and implementing Azure Advanced Threat Protection, managing workspace health, integrating Azure ATP with Microsoft Defender, monitoring and responding to attacks. By the end of this course, you'll know the fundamentals of implementing a hybrid threat solution with Azure ATP. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with domain controllers, Active Directory and networks, and a general knowledge of security. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn more about the Microsoft Threat Protection with the Implementing Hybrid Threat Solutions with Azure Advanced Threat Protection course at Pluralsight.